and welcome back to another recipe video. In this video I'm going to be making tortilla soup. Wow, I sounded so excited about that. This is another kind of winging it thing where, and to be fair, I have made it before. I made it in my what I ate in a day video, but the thing is that I didn't write down the recipe, so I don't know the exact measurements of stuff, so I'm winging it again. This is apparently a series now. I keep doing this where I keep thinking, oh, I want to make that and I'm going to make a video on it, but I don't actually have a recipe. I just have an idea. And hopefully it's going to work out well. But yeah, this should be really simple. Ready in about 15-20 minutes, I imagine. I'm normally more of a blended soup kind of person, because that's what you have. You have people who are blended soup and chunky soup type people. I like blended soup, but this one is a chunky soup, so, but it's still really good, so it's alright really. There should be enough soup to serve about 2 people as full-size portions, or maybe like 3 lunches. The full written recipe will be below the table. Anyway, yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video, and let's do it. Let's go fry stuff and soup stuff. Okay, so to make the soup, I just got about a tablespoon of oil, just heating it in there, and into that I'm going to put 1 onion. Maybe let the pan get a bit hotter. I expected such a dramatic sizzle, and I was so disappointed. There we go, sizzling. So you just want to let that fry for a few minutes until the onion's all soft. For the spice mix for this, I've got a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin, quarter teaspoon of oregano, a quarter to half a teaspoon of salt just to do that to taste, and some pepper. The onions have been frying for a few minutes now and they're getting nice and soft. I'm just going to add in the garlic, and I've got 3 cloves of garlic here that I've just chopped roughly. So now into the onion and garlic I'm going to add 1 courgette, which I've chopped roughly, and 2 tomatoes, which again are roughly chopped. Always use a bigger pan. And again, we're just going to let that fry for a few minutes. So now I'm just going to stir the seasoning mix into that. And then I've got about a cup of black beans. I've had to do it as a cup because my scales have run out of battery, which is so sad. So yeah, a cup of black beans. That's about a tin, right? I don't know. Then I'm also going to add in half a tin of chopped tomatoes, about 400 ml of stock. Really need a bigger pan. And then I'm just going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes until the courgette's soft. Okay, that's been simmering for a bit now, so I'm going to add in half a cup of sweet corn and a handful of spinach. God, this does not fit. Nailed it. And then I'm also just going to add in the juice of half a lime. And also at this point you can add in any extra salt or pepper just to taste. And then when the sweet corn's defrosted and the spinach is wilted down, it's time to serve. Oh dear. Okay, so that was my tortilla soup recipe. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give it a go. And now I'm going to try this. I've topped mine with an avocado rose. because I'm really extra, although it looks kind of rubbish. And also some potentially too watery cashew sour cream. Oh well. I tried to add toppings to make it look better and it probably made it look worse. And then I also just got a wrap, a tortilla wrap, and cut it into segments and fried them for a little bit to make little tortilla chips, so I'm going to try it on that. I'm not going to try it on that because that's now just limp and sucky. Oh well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's just got such a strong tomatoey, smoked paprika-y taste. And it's so good. It's so good. And even my limp tortilla wraps taste good. Okay. Wait. Oh, I think we can make this better. Oh yeah. I'm gonna end this video now, because otherwise you're just gonna watch me eat a full bowl of soup. So thanks so much for watching again. Hope you give this recipe a go. And yeah, please like. I was gonna say rate. Please like for a rate. Please like, subscribe, all the above. Thanks. Bye.